I recently created some viral YouTube automation videos using only AI tools, and the best part is that they are incredibly easy to make. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire process of creating these videos. Before we get started, let me explain why this niche is perfect for launching right now. While searching for new ideas, I came across a channel that has achieved remarkable success. Imagine a YouTube channel that uploaded just 33 videos and gained 140,000 subscribers in under 4 months, with some videos approaching 2 million views. And no, this isn't about shorts. We're discussing full-length, long-form content. What's even more exciting is that this niche is still wide open. If you're interested, now is the time to jump in. The niche is called Deep Philosophy and Timeless Wisdom, which combines thought-provoking voiceovers with captivating visuals. This approach is proving to be highly effective, so grab a coffee, get comfortable, and stay with me until the end. Step 1. Channel analysis using ChatGPT. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open up ChatGPT and start analyzing the channel you're trying to learn from. Pull in the video titles, transcripts, and any other details that capture the niche, tone, and overall vibe. The more context you give ChatGPT, the better it can help guide you through the process, step by step. Step 2. Topic research and title generation. This is where the magic starts to finding the right topics and crafting scroll-stopping titles. It's the heart of the whole process. And while it might seem a bit tricky at first, I've got you covered. So, how do we find great title ideas? Simple. Just follow along. I've shared all the prompts you'll need inside my Telegram channel, links in the description. And yes, it's completely free. Once ChatGPT has analyzed the channel, enter the prompt asking for 10 topic ideas with your preferred formatting style. Just like that, ChatGPT will give you a list of ideas in seconds. Step 3. Script analysis and creation. Now that you've chosen a topic, it's time to dig into script writing. But first, let's break down a reference. Find a popular video related to your niche. Once you've picked one you'd like to recreate, click the share button, copy the link, and head over to Tactic. Paste the link there, then copy the transcript. Before analyzing, drop it into ChatGPT and use this prompt. Can you remove the timestamps? Then hit generate. This helps clean up the transcript, so ChatGPT can better analyze the structure, tone, and pacing. All super helpful for crafting your own script. Once that's cleaned up, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a brand new script using your chosen topic. Just paste in the prompt I've provided. For example, if your topic is first step in energy control, practical technique, you can ask for a script that fits an 8-minute video, perfect for long-form content. And just like that, you've got a strong foundation to build your video. Before we get into image generation, I just want to share something important. I've made a complete blueprint guide for this niche, Deep Philosophy and Timeless Wisdom. Not many creators are doing this, so having a clear plan can really help you stand out. The guide has everything you need: tools to make your videos go viral, a special strategy for success, the best prompts to use, tips for sound effects, and advice on how to brand your account the right way. If you want to check it out, just look in the description or the pinned comment below this video. Step 4. Image creation using AI. Once your full script is ready, head back to your saved prompt and copy this line. Generate 16 image prompts for part 1. Paste it into ChatGPT. If, on your first try, ChatGPT replies with something like, unable to generate images, just type this instead: I need prompts only. Then click generate. Wait a moment, and you'll get a list of image prompts. To generate the images, you can use Leonardo AI or Krea.ai, whichever you prefer. But for this tutorial, I'll be using Pixelman AI because it's faster, produces higher quality images, and offers unlimited use for life. Copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Pixelman AI. Choose the PanArt V1 model. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9, paste your prompt, and hit generate. Keep repeating the process until you have all your images. Then just download them to your computer. Step 5. Voiceover generation. Now we need a voiceover. You can use DubDub or 11 Labs. Both offer some free credits. Check the links in the description if you're curious. Since our video follows a spiritual wisdom and mystery-driven storyline, we need a voice that really fits the mood. To get started, head over to DupeDub's website and sign in with your Google account. For this tutorial, we're focusing on their text-to-speech tool. It's super beginner-friendly. Just click on AI Voiceover, and it'll take you to a page with a large prompt box. Next, click the avatar icon inside the circle to open a menu of different voice characters, each with their own unique tone. Under the Animation Videos category, which is a new feature, you'll find voices that sound like animated characters or storytellers. For this video, I'm going with Madaro Uchino's voice. It has that deep, thoughtful tone that really brings the script to life. Once you've picked your voice, paste your script into the box and click the pink-purple play button to generate your voiceover. When you're happy with the result, just click Export to save it, and you're all set. If you want to use DupeDub, the tool I'm using, and start your own Faceless YouTube automation channel, you can use the link in the description of this video. This is one of the tools I use to create faceless channels without spending too much time. Step 6. Video editing. Next, it's time to edit the video. Open CapCut, then import your images and voiceover. Drop the voiceover onto the timeline, trim out any long pauses, and adjust the volume as needed. Now start matching each image with the corresponding part of the voiceover. After that, add visual effects that fit your niche. Since we're working in the spiritual wisdom space, I'm going with a black noise effect. I'll also add an adjustment layer for color correction to match the overall vibe of the content. I'll apply a vignette effect, slightly sharpen the image, and adjust the exposure and temperature. Once you're happy with the color grading, preview your clips to make sure the adjustments look consistent across the entire video. Next, I'll add keyframe effects to create a motion zoom effect on each clip. This is important to keep the video engaging for viewers. Here's how. At the start of a clip, add a keyframe by selecting the scale section and clicking the diamond icon to place your first keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the end of the clip and adjust the zoom level. This creates the zoom-in motion. For the next clip, do the opposite. Start by placing a keyframe at the end. Then drag the playhead to the start and zoom out, creating a smooth zoom-out effect. Just repeat this zoom-in, zoom-out process for the rest of your clips until everyone has motion. Next up, transitions. I'll use the blink effect since it fits the mysterious and spiritual tone of the video. Then, head to the audio library and search for camera sound effects to enhance those transitions. Finally, add some background music. Make sure it's subtle enough not to overpower your voiceover. At the end of the audio, don't forget to add a fade-out effect for a smooth finish. Now for the subtitles. When adding subtitles, it's best to choose a clean, elegant font that suits your niche. Since we're working with spiritual wisdom and mystery, I prefer using a classic font style. For subtitle animations, I'm just experimenting with caption verb effects, but I'm still being strategic to show the raw editing process behind how I put my videos together. Step 7. Final touches and export. And just like that, we're almost ready to export. But hold up, don't forget to add a powerful quote right at the beginning of your video. It's a small touch that can make a big impact. Let me quickly show you how I usually do it. Alright, now we're good to go and ready to hit export. By the way, I sped up the editing part a bit because some of you mentioned it was dragging on. I'm trying to keep things short and to the point, but still easy to follow. Big thanks for all the support and love. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that like, subscribe, and share button. It really helps more than you know. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to reply if I can help out. That's it for today's video. Now let's sit back and watch what we've created.
Introduction: The Hidden Gateway. This part introduces the third eye as more than just an intuitive organ, positioning it as a bridge between realms of existence. The script suggests that the third eye unveils a cosmic blueprint, a foundational structure underlying all of existence. It emphasizes that the third eye reveals a deeper reality than just future sight or intuition. The eye of the mind, a dimension beyond the physical. The script shifts from viewing the third eye as a symbol of mystical sight to suggesting it is a key to accessing another dimension, one woven into the very fabric of existence. It positions the third eye as an inner, sacred space that transcends physical limitations, allowing one to access a higher state of being where the ego dissolves. The hidden dimensions of reality. This part discusses the idea of hidden dimensions that exist beyond our physical perception. The third eye is described as the tool that enables one to perceive these dimensions, which are interconnected with our reality. The analogy of a tree with its roots, trunk, and branches is used to explain how higher dimensions are intricately linked with the physical world. Beyond intuition, the activation of the inner architect. This section refines the concept of intuition, suggesting that it is only a small aspect of what the third eye offers. Instead of just glimpses, the third eye activates a deeper understanding of the cosmic blueprint, revealing the underlying structures that shape the universe. The script describes the third eye as the key to reading this universal blueprint. The bridge between worlds, navigating the astral plane. The third eye is framed as a bridge between the physical world and the astral plane, a realm described as a state of consciousness with its own laws, where time and space become fluid. The astral plane is described as a realm where potential is infinite, and with the third eye, one can access wisdom, explore past lives, and subtly influence the physical world. Practical spirituality, applying the wisdom of the third eye. Here, the script suggests that the wisdom of the third eye is not just for mystical experiences, but can be applied practically in daily life. The third eye helps one navigate the physical world with clarity and precision, revealing hidden patterns and energies that shape thoughts, actions, and relationships, ultimately allowing for a life aligned with the universe. The light of consciousness, illumination, and enlightenment. In this section, the third eye is presented as the awakening of true consciousness, going beyond self-awareness to a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. It highlights the third eye as a tool for spiritual mastery, guiding the awakened soul through illusions and towards enlightenment. The true meaning of the third eye, unveiling the blueprint of existence. In the final part, the third eye is seen as the key to understanding the entire blueprint of existence. It is described as the bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms, offering the ability to uncover the interconnected web of life. The call to action asks the reader to awaken their third eye to access the deeper truths of the